This right here is the Milwaukee Red Lithium USB neck light. If you are a mechanic, if you are a sparky, or anyone that works in low light environments often, then this is going to be an amazing bit of kit to help illuminate your work. Hands-free operation, as you can see here. Just stick it around your neck and you can turn it on like so. For up to 400 lumens of brightness with these lights. And the beauty of it is that you can adjust the angle of each light individually to illuminate exactly what you need. It is nice and comfortable and even fits around my neck, so you shouldn't have any problems there. This is powered by Milwaukee's Red Lithium USB technology, because a neck light like this does not require an M12 or an M18 battery. So you've got a nice smaller lightweight battery in there, but still efficient. It comes out of the box with a Red Lithium USB 3 amp battery already inside, and you can just charge it by the provided USB-C cable like so. This is built for the job site, of course, with Milwaukee. They pride themselves on bringing you tools that are nothing but heavy duty, and this is no different. IP50 dust resistant with this really impressive kit, and you can get it now at its.co.uk.